Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a sock ball very easily. I have two socks right here. I'm just going to take one and put it in my hand just like this. I'm going to take the other sock and put it on top. Now, very important, the opening to your sock needs to go right at the bottom so I can put my hand in it. Okay, so I'm going to put my hand inside that sock and I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to grab that ball, that other sock ball, out of my hand, and I'm going to bring this over top, and voila, I have my own sock ball to play catch with or play soccer with or basketball. So it's very easy to do. Let's watch again quickly. I've got a sock in my hand. I'm going to put the other sock over it. The opening is at the bottom. I'm going to go through here, grab that sock out of my hand, bring this around, and voila, I have my sock ball. Okay, hope you enjoy. Can't wait to see your sock balls in class.